buddy. Where's the keys? Look, the keys are in it. All right, open the trunk, get in it. You want me to get you in the trunk? Yeah. Hey, buddy, where are the keys? Oh, the keys are in it. All right, open the trunk, get in it. You want me to get you in the trunk? Yeah. But you're still going to get to like here and here, and so if you find yourself like way off to the side, your angle kind of sucks. Maybe once you kind of get to the gun, maybe now I want to work my way back behind him a little bit so I get a better angle on him, you know, with my pec index position, stuff like that, you know what I mean? And you can say, again, this can be just 30% and just kind of just feel it, you know, flow a little bit with it. That's perfect, yep, good.